Welcome to Aussie Couple Hawaii. Here is a quick walk around the Shoreline Hotel Waikiki. We have already put up a room tour also, so make sure you go and check that out. So, here you go, and thank you. Okay, so we're going to start from outside with this one, with Shoreline. It does have Heavenly Island Cafe beside it. The happy hour is 4 till 6 p.m. It's literally opposite Ross's, so it's pretty central. Trying to step in a puddle here, trying to get hit. And just super quick, the angle I was on the left side there beside the car park, we have a Masubi and Bento Cafe. This is just a quick look inside it. They were freaking amazing. They were like, I think about $253 each or something like that. Good, cheap filling, so if you're after something cheap, definitely go check them out. They've got some cool little collectibles too. We've got like a little sushi magnet. But yeah, definitely check them out if you're staying, because it will save you a lot of money if you want to grab quick food. Alright, back to it. At the moment everywhere is saturated. And then you got Waikiki Shopping Plaza. So let's enter. Shoreline Hotel Waikiki. So we'll just walk through the foyer. I'll add some extra bits in that I've already taken. And also here's just a couple of stock photos from Google so you can get an idea of how they display it. It's changed a little bit, but you get the idea, just to see it in full color. It's cheap. So you can purchase clothing, you've got free coffee.
It's only here between 6 and 11, but
it's only in the
free
morning.
coffee in the morning.
And then through here.
Good morning.
Morning. Out through this way you got free water, so you can refill your bottles. Valet parking, so there's a driveway that comes up beside you. Okay, so I'm just going to jump in again real quick. So if you're driving down Kalikua Avenue and then turn left onto Seaside Avenue, then go down, turn left onto Kahio Avenue, then left onto Royal Hawaiian Avenue, then onto the side street of Waikalu, I think it's called, Way. So that Waikalu Way that you can see, follow that down, and just before you get down to the end on the right, there is a driveway that goes up for the hotel for your valet parking. You just drive up there, park, don't park in a car park there, just park and a guy will come, take your keys, move your car, do your valet. So if you do need to get in, that's the way to go. Beside you, vending machines. I'm not sure what the other one there is. Must be ice machine, yeah. Ice machine, vending machine. So water, soft drink. And you got your check-in. It's definitely bright.
I love it.
Alright, so there'll probably also be other bits with the elevators in them, but yeah, we'll do a couple of random stops on the way. I'm not sure what colours, what, if they're all different. We'll have a crack, see how we go, because every hallway is different. That's Alli's favourite one because of the colour.
Yep.
So
I secretly wished we were staying on that level.
yeah, ours is blue. Not a big blue person, but it's not that it's blue, it's the kind of blue it is. Just wish it was a bit brighter. Red, how you doing? to you. See you later.
And have a great day.
You too. Okay, so we'll go up. Roof access to the top. So the elevator stops at floor 14 and then you've got to take the stairway up. Oh, bright out here. So up here's the pool. Rooftop. Morning. It's actually pretty good views from up here. At least it's a pretty big pool for the size of the hotel. So at least it has a pool. It's better than nothing. Be careful going back down these. Everything is so wet. There you go.
Thank you.
But we've enjoyed it. It's not like the biggest room, but all you're there for is to sleep.
Location is amazing of this hotel.
It's a minute walk to everywhere. Like you're about as central as you can get. It's no different to any of the big hotels on the beach. Even if you want to go to the beach, you're there in like three, 4 minutes.
Staff here are amazing, kind, happy.
It's been some of the best staff. No matter what you ask, it's quick, it's easy, helpful.
Yeah.
Like we had a broken luggage bag and they're just like, leave it outside, we'll get rid of it. And it's big, so it's a full-size check-in bag. But yeah, everywhere's painted, everywhere's bright, like everything is painted. So, but yeah, all in all, for the price, it was cheap. I'll add in the price, I can't remember what it was, but compared to everywhere else, that's why we wanted to do somewhere different. We'd seen this on Instagram, socials, so thought it looked bright and funky and something totally different to what we normally do.
Yeah.
Which is, you know, we like quirky.
Yeah.
So
it's definitely quirky.
That's it. But if we have anything else to add in, I'll add it in, and yeah, otherwise, thank you.
Thanks for watching.